Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System was installed at the Hyundai factory in Ulsan, South Korea. The installation involved a Vulcan S25 unit, which was applied to the cold water circulation pipeline. Before this system was installed, scale buildup was a recurring issue, causing blockages in the pipelines. The Hyundai Engineering Team had to manually clean 9 secondary small pipes every 2 to 3 months to maintain water flow, which was critical for the proper functioning of the induction hardening process. After 6 months of operation with the Vulcan S25, the results were impressive. The scale in the secondary pipes had completely disappeared, and the manual cleaning process was no longer necessary. The water flow had also improved, exceeding the levels seen even right after previous manual cleanings. Biofilms in the cooling tower were eliminated, further enhancing the system's efficiency. This installation marked a significant improvement in maintenance and operational performance at the Hyundai facility. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, tuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.